Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone correctly, free at least 2 GB of space, and update both the game and your system. Once done, close every background app and enable high performance or game mode so resources focus on Call of Duty Mobile. Make sure network is stable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check behavior. These initial actions remove the most common supply issues that trigger auto close, and they let you proceed to deeper fixes with a clean baseline. Now perform deeper diagnostics. Go to App Settings, clear cache and data, then force stop the app. This resets temporary corruption. Next, disable battery optimization and any auto app kill features that close apps when idle. Those are frequent culprits. Grant the game all needed permissions, especially storage and microphone, because denied permissions can crash processes. Make sure the game is installed on internal storage, not a slow micro SD. Once these steps are complete, attempt a clean finish by uninstalling Call of Duty Mobile and rebooting your phone, then reinstall from the official store to ensure a clean install. Once reinstalled, log into your account and test. If the auto close continues, collect key details, device model, OS version, exact app version, and a short description of when it closes. Then contact official support. If possible, test the game on another device or account to isolate whether the issue is device-specific, before considering a factory reset as a last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.